Okay, we are, like I said, we are heading to Bowmans Beach. I'm going to go down, walk the beach, and see what it looks like, whatever have you. And this is the back way into the beach, and probably 99% of you didn't even know it existed. So anyhow, you get to see what it looks like. It's a little windy today. It wasn't this morning, but it's picking up. I haven't seen the manatees for about a week now. So, as you're heading out to Bowmans Beach and you go over the bridge, on your right hand side you'll see where they park the bicycles and all that, and you'll see a dirt road. That's where we are now. We're on that dirt road. I'm going to go down that way a little bit and you'll see why I go this way. There it is. I go this way because I can drive out quite a ways on a bike. And there's a lot less people down this way. I'm back on the island for I guess a little over a week. I got a doctor's appointment coming up Monday. We have a dog appointment, the veterinarian, Friday. So I'm here for a few days, and once we got all that taken care of, we're going to head back out again. We're going to go up northern Florida, so we'll send you some reports from up that way. Okay, it's a little windy out here. I hope you can hear me. Probably can. There's a sailboat. You can see it out there. All right. As we walk along, there are no dead fish on the beach that I've seen yet. There's no smell. Water looks pretty good. And we're not coughing. So all in all, it's not too bad. Of course, it's not that beautiful blue-green color, primarily because it's so rough. You get them rough days, it stirs up all the silt and everything from the shells, and that's the color we get. When you're visiting the island, this is a problem right here. See this hole? You come, you dig a hole. When you leave, please fill it. It catches the baby turtles as they're heading back out, or they're heading out to the Gulf. They get down in them holes and they die. So please fill your holes when you're done. Thanks. Alrighty. Alright, let's turn around and walk back. Alrighty, thanks for coming on my walk with me today. And if you haven't, please subscribe. Click the little bell. I'll let you know when I put the next video out. And please leave a message. Alrighty, thanks a lot. We'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.